looking for furnace inspection in Ardrossan. At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important a reliable heating system is, especially during Alberta's cold winters. Our expert furnace inspection service ensures your system runs efficiently, helping to prevent breakdowns and lower energy costs. Whether you're dealing with uneven heating, rising bills, or just need routine maintenance, we've got you covered. In Ardrossan, seasonal changes put extra strain on your furnace. That's why our certified technicians provide thorough inspections, catching potential issues early to keep your home warm and safe. With Kingstree Plumbing, you get trusted local expertise, affordable pricing, and professional service tailored to your home's needs. Don't wait for an emergency. Schedule your furnace inspection today and keep your home comfortable all winter long.